My name is Richard Cahill. My wife and I live here and lived in Worcester most of my life. We spend part of our time in Florida. Of course, impacts how we use the electricity, but we definitely wanted solar from the time we bought this house, which was 4 years ago. Well, it's mostly the environmental thing. So we met Ben and Ahmed, and we really connected with those guys. They spoke our language. They're technical, and they analyze stuff, and when we ask questions about payback and how all that kind of stuff and how it all works on the roof, and they had good explanations, and we really liked them, so we went with them. Anytime I had a question or whatever, they were very cooperative, and they came back, and I think it was the next day. Within a day, it was like, phew, they were done. And then the electrician guy comes, and the inspector comes. But it all happened very quickly. I was amazed. The expectation was it would cover the 7,000 kilowatt hours that we use during the course of the year. And they put insulation through the whole house, redid it a whole bit. So our actual usage is less than that. I've tracked every single month since day one up till now. And on a year-by-year basis, it looks great. The first year, they produced 7,025, and we used 5,098. That was awesome. I would recommend Team Sunshine to anyone, everyone, and I've done so. And you have a customer right over here on the next street that I recommended. They were ready to sign with somebody else when I found out they were going to do that, and talked them into Sunshine.